Sisters, how y'all feeling? Brothers, y'all alright? It's Kezia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to find out some information about the WOOF project. Since I've been here, I've been missing furry friends. I've been missing interacting with dogs, and I would like to learn more on how I can volunteer, maybe walk the dogs sometimes, go feed the dogs, go play with the dogs. So we're here at the WOOF project. We're gonna go and find out some information here in Constantia, at Constantia Village, and we're gonna bring you guys along. So come on, let's go meet some doggies.
The WOOF project is a pop-up adoption initiative powered by Oscar's Ark, a registered NPO born to inspire dog adoption and save dogs' lives.
Okay guys, so we're here at the WOOF project. All of the doggies look so cute. I really want to see some of the puppies and learn more information about how to interact and volunteer.
Oscar's Ark is a dynamic dog adoption agency with a mission to inspire dog adoption through creative marketing initiatives. These include captivating online and digital campaigns, a centralized dog adoption center, and WOOF Project, a pop-up adoption platform. Their main mission is to home all of the dogs. I met one of their sweet volunteers who explained the process of me volunteering. So what you would need to do is go to the oscarsark.org site and press the volunteer button, fill out the application, and then they're going to add you to the WhatsApp group. Once they add you to the WhatsApp group, they'll send you the schedule and that'll start the process. You can sign up for any opening slots and it's pretty cut and dry. So if you ever want to volunteer, if you miss interacting with puppies, or you just love the feeling like me of having a puppy's love, a dog's love in their company, please do not hesitate and go and sign up at the WOOF project. It is very good. This is Jeannie. She was such a sweet, sweet girl. She loves scratches. You know, Franklin P. Jones says, scratch a dog and you'll find a permanent job. She loved it.
Friday or Thursday, get like this long message, and it says where it's going to be, and these are all the steps, and you do that shift you then do on Saturday, and then Tuesday, Thursday, and then you just
What I would do for you. What I would do for you.
So is the adoption process long, like for the puppy?
No, it's actually very quick. So basically, you find the fuck you want to dog. One of them, you have like a neighbor on that home there, and they will come and do a phone check just to make sure that you know what right, like areas, horse and stuff. And then I think you just come and collect. So it's very, very quick. And it's not just full of
Yeah.
What I would do for you.
It's not really nice and working.
No, it's Buckaroo.
Oh, it's got something in it.
You want to see Jeannie?
Oh no, I want to spoil time. I know I will.
They're so sweet.
Are you so tired now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I found out all about the ways to volunteer, to come to the puppy, to come and walk the puppy. So today was a good outing and I cannot wait to come back and spend some more time with the dog.
Art environments. We offer a very inspired and positive application process. If you're interested in a dog, you sign up, you complete an application form. We do a same-day home check, and literally every dog is ready to go. They're all microchipped, sterilized, their vaccinations are fully up to date. At the end of the day, we just want these dogs to get out of shelters and into amazing homes as fast and efficiently as possible.